Welcome to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Today, we're breaking down the costs of the H-1B visa for 2025 so you can plan ahead with confidence. First, the H-1B registration fee is just $10 and applies to anyone entering the March lottery through USCIS. Then comes the base filing fee of $460, required for all petitions, and the $500 anti-fraud fee, which applies to initial applications and employer changes. Certain employers, like those with over 50 employees where more than half are on H-1B or L-1 visas, will also need to pay an additional $4,000 fee. This rule stays in place until September 30th, 2025. For faster processing, premium processing is available at $2,805, guaranteeing a decision within 15 calendar days. While optional, it's often seen as essential to avoid delays. For employers not subject to the $4,000 fee, the costs are $970 or $3,775 with premium processing. For those who are subject to it, the total climbs to $4,970 or $7,775 with expedited processing. Understanding these costs is key, whether you're an employer or a skilled worker. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show, and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you next time.